Change your life, I'ma change it. I'ma change your life, I'ma change your life. Hey YouTube, so this is going to be a video on, well, a review on edge control. So this is the Creme of Nature with Argon Oil Perfect Edges. I really do think it's a good edge control. It really lays your hair down. It's smooth, it smells good, it doesn't leave a residue. But one thing about it is like it gets a little greasy if you use a lot. It's like use a little bit and it lasts like 2 days. I really like this edge control. Light orange color, 2.75 ounces. I think that's a good amount that comes with it. Yeah, so like this video and go out and purchase this. I really do think this is a good edge control. So rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.